Quietly kicking up dust on a one-lane road. Joe Diffie tunes humming out the radio. And the night so young as we are right now, sitting frozen in time on the edge of town. The water tower says the same thing.
What's up, Backwoods family? I'm back with another video. Today we're going to be doing something really interesting. Yes, sir. So y'all remember that F-150 I got, right? It's a 2002 4.6 liter F-150. Single cab, 5-speed manual. And it's got a little bit of exhaust on it right now. But this motherfucker over here grinding my gears? I know he ain't. Today, we're going to be doing a muffler delete. And we may be hollowing at the cats too. So, y'all stay tuned.
Alright, so what are we going to use to cut it off? That's a plasma cutter or what?
So that's the before muffler.
Oh, nothing. It just fucking yanked me a little bit harder than expected. Look at me. The exhaust expert here. Alright, now that's sad right there. It wouldn't even cut that motherfucker.
Don't y'all have a torch here?
Fuck no.
No.
I wish. We
We
had
gotta-
a torch here. I'd have it done already. Fuck, dude, I thought yours was straight back, but it isn't. We can't hollow out that cat.
Told you.
Motherfucker. Mine was just straight back. Oh, mine. Oh, let's see here. Probably just cut the hangers right there. Get a pair of bolt cutters, snip it right there. But first, let's get the rest of this muffler off.
1 hour later. 2 hours later. 3 hours later.
Can you move it along? I'm all out of time cards.
God damn it, I can't even find the fucking hole. God damn. Oh, this is a true Flowmaster too. You get money for that, Cole.
Told you.
It just didn't sound like no Flowmaster.
It's too quiet for a Flowmaster.
Oh shit. Well, this is what you call Tyler Flow right here.
Tyler Flow.
Yes. Straight pipe, motherfucker. My
Cat back.
Cat back. Somebody go find me a pair of goddamn bolt cutters. These motherfuckers are the shittiest goddamn things I've ever used in the whole fucking world.
All right.
Neutral.
Yeah, make sure it's a neutral. Don't run our asses over.
My head is right in the way.
Don't be a wiener.
Aftermath. Well, I'll be damned.
Motherfucker sounds actually.
Man.
Now we're gonna go get the rest of that exhaust pipe and that 6 over real quick. You wanna chop yours off underneath? you satisfied, sir?
Yes, sir. I appreciate doing business with you, Tyler.
Come see Schrader's Muffler Shop.
Come see Schrader's Muffler Shop. Don't fucking put my weedy horn in the fucking video.
And come get the cap back no muffler chocolate. Rates start off at $89.
That motherfucker's annoying.
It is.
I fucking hate that horn. What? Alright.
See, I ain't never drove a gas stick.
Just take the parking brake off.
Yeah,
How far
no.
back
You
do you
already
have this
told me.
goddamn seat?
I got a big belly, you know that much. God damn.
God
I
damn.
thought it was gonna turn.
Oh, now he wants to leave here. Let me call my dad and see if
Drive safe.
Or something.
he has.
It wasn't as hard as I thought.
No.
I thought driving a gas stick was gonna be a lot harder than that.
I'll show you how to drive.
So, took it for a test drive. Sounded great. This dude right here was with me. He liked the way it sounded. Plus, you know, it sounds so much better when you got a 5-speed manual. So then you can just downshift and rattle and pop your way down the hill. Tyler, what the fuck you want? I'm trying to make an outro. God damn. Alright. Wait!
We're gonna weld up you a fucking tip. I see me on there with my pink hat. I look sexy as fuck.
Nigga really has my hat on.
Anyways, that's it for today.
Bye.
Bye! Oh, wait, hold on. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And if you haven't yet, ring that bell so you
Don't
can
go
get all
your
my
piss
fucking
beaters
posts.
in a fucking bunch about this shit.
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man? Bro, I'm out, man. That nigga's tripping.
On that note,
See you later.
bye.
In my neck of the woods, neck of the woods, my neck of the woods. In my neck of the woods, my neck of the woods, my end of the road. That football field that we practiced on. Had that parking lot hopping on a Friday night.